Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix site can't be reached Google Chrome in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on Start and Settings, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot, then click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here, Internet Connections, click on Run. Follow some instruction which you see in this display. Close it and restart, and after restart still you are facing error, so you can try another method. Again click on Start, Settings, now click on Network and Internet, scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings, then click on Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. Make sure you have password for Wi-Fi and other such as VPN client software or virtual switches. You might need to reinstall other networking software. So if you are sure, click on Reset Now. And after reset, restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can fix and resolve site can't be reached Google Chrome in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.